Okay, so here's my mesocycle, and it's for lacrosse, and I made it for the 12 weeks leading up to the start of the lacrosse season. So this would be sometime in December, most likely. This would be starting maybe January. And I started off with muscle endurance for the first 3 weeks, and I chose to set it up as a circuit so that the um, the athlete could get a full body workout, moving from lower body to upper body and kind of rotating between 8 exercises that way. I tried to increase the volume from week 1 to 2 to 3. Then in week 4, um, I move on to basic strength, trying to build some of that strength in, and we do that for 2 weeks, focusing in on only 4 exercises, but trying to get um, pretty high level volume there, but also giving them full rest. Doing that as a superset, so 2 exercises together there with that rest. And then in week 6, we go to some active recovery. And for the active recovery, I chose to do some plyometrics, but only one set and some um, lower amount of reps for the more challenging plyometric exercises, and then higher reps for the easier plyometric exercises. Then in week 7, 8, and 9, we go back to muscle endurance, changing up the exercises and also increasing the volume and repetitions compared to the first time that we did the muscle endurance. And then I move on to um, strength power exercises. And with those, I kept those to just 3 exercises because the volume was going to be high, but I built in some abdominal work on those days as well. And then we finish up the um, plan with the 12th week being active rest, going back to the original exercises we did in weeks 1, 2, and 3, but doing less reps and lower volume and having more rest after each of the exercises there, leading into what would probably be tryouts or the first week of the season.